ever wondered if you can get access to quality learning materials on YouTube without having to spend so much time, struggling and shuffling through the pile of crappy YouTube videos? Well, after a couple of research, I've been able to come up with these three accounts. So I've been able to do a research and I found these three YouTube accounts that will help you level up your freelancing game. And these accounts are actually my top favorites, and that's what I'm going to show you now. They might not be the best out there, okay, but these accounts are probably my favorites, and I'm going to review these accounts to you. Hello YouTubers, and welcome to yet another session with Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate. And in today's session, I'm going to show you 3 YouTube accounts every beginner freelancer needs to follow. These are my personal favorites. They might not be yours, but for a starter, I highly recommend these channels. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So now the first thing we are going to do is, of course, open YouTube. So when you open YouTube, so I'm going to open a new page here on YouTube that I kept for this particular training. Okay, so when you open your YouTube, you get to your home page. The first thing you want to do is to search, and of course, if you are going to be a freelancer on Upwork, of course, which is the platform I recommend for you to start if you want to make a lot of money. There is Fiverr out there as well, but I have a bonus for you, for those of you that are on Fiverr, at the end of this video. So I'm going to also share something for those of my folks that are on Fiverr. Okay, but for the freelance platform we are going to be using, it's going to be Upwork. So first of all, you have to search for Upwork. Of course, as a beginner freelancer, you need to first of all subscribe to the channel, their official channel of Upwork. Okay, so when you get there, you are going to see tons of videos that are going to help you. Like, when I mean tons of video, I mean a lot of videos that are going to help. So all you have to do is to subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that might post. Okay, so when you get to Upwork, subscribe to their channel, then go through, check out, these are some of the uploads they've made. Now here is where you want to go for Upwork talent. So try to go here, how to get started with freelancing on Upwork. This is for the clients, people that want to hire on Upwork. Okay, now these are some other videos that they have there, but this is where you should be paying attention. So when you get to Upwork page, go to this particular playlist, click on it, and then you don't have to actually watch all the videos, right? The major thing is just to subscribe on the channels. Don't start watching videos yet. Just subscribe on the channels and ring the notification bell so that you know that you subscribe to all the channels. As you can see, you can't finish this particular playlist has 128 videos, so you might not be able to finish it. But then, first thing first, you can start watching these. Then I recommend this particular video as well, how to write a winning Upwork job proposal in 2022. It's a very good one. I've watched it and really it makes sense. So you can go through this particular video. First of all, understand how to get started, then understand how to make your profile stand out, because these are the 2 major things, and then understand how to write a winning proposal. Okay, these are 3 major videos that you should be looking out for this channel. So now for the accounts that I was telling you about, so basically the first account you need to follow is Freelance MVP. So you search for freelance, and then of course look at it here, Freelance MVP. When you get to Freelance MVP's page, all you have to do is to click on go to his channel. So when you come to his channel, the next thing you have to do is to, of course, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Very, very important. Then go through everything he has, how to write dynamic Upwork cover letters, upgrading your Upwork profile, what I wish I knew starting. So all these things, by the time you've gone through his profile, these are the playlists that he has created. So upgrading your Upwork profile, these are some things that you need to check out. Now let's say, for example, this is actually cover letter for beginners. Okay, so here are some popular uploads. You can always come into popular uploads and see what you might have there available. So these are the videos that are available here. Okay, so if you have any issues regarding Upwork, getting jobs, landing jobs, optimizing your profile and all, he is your go-to. Okay, so the next person we have on the list is, we have Lex Devil. I'm sorry about that. So we have Lex Deville. So Lex Deville, just search for Lex Deville, Deville. So when you get to Lex Deville's search page, all you have to do is to go to his channel proper. So when you go to his channel, first thing first, as always, subscribe and then ring the notification bell. So when you subscribe and ring the notification bell, next thing you have to do is to go on this playlist. But then before we go to that playlist, let's just go down and see what he has. So he has a couple of playlists here. Say become a freelance article writer. So for those that want to go down the path of an article writer, this is one. Then there's freelance copywriting. Okay, this is the playlist he has on freelance copywriting. So you can actually come here and go through this. Okay, when you go through this particular profile playlist, since it's just 4 videos, you can start from this place. So this is actually what is going to help you level up your skill first of all. So if you don't have any skill, then I'll advise you go through this freelance copywriting tutorial. So once you are done with the freelance copywriting tutorial, the next thing you can do is to go through this particular playlist. Start over as an Upwork freelancer. It has 10 videos, so it's just something that you can make out a day or two, to watch, and you can finish everything here. So it's going to help you know how to get started, get your work approved, pick your profile title and tags, and everything you basically need. So these are the 2 playlists I recommend on Lex Deville's page. So the first one is become a freelance copywriter first, and then the second one is start over as an Upwork freelancer. All right, so the next person we are going to look at his page or his channel is Josh Bonsteck. So you are going to search for Josh Bonsteck. Okay, so here is Josh Bonsteck. So when you get to his channel, first thing you have to do is subscribe, ring the notification bell, then go through. Make sure you go to this particular playlist, freelancing. But let me show you other things he has on his page. So he does tech reviews, he does cryptocurrency, he does personal finance and money making, and also freelancing. So his channel banner tells you everything: freelancing, crypto, and investing. So when you get there, first of all, go to freelancing playlist, and that is where you want to get started with. So he has 22 videos here. Okay, it's also a good watch. So you can watch this first one, complete Upwork tutorial for beginners, then watch the top 5 Upwork proposal tips from him, and then from there you can choose to go through some other things. So look at Upwork review, how I made this. You can watch this to have an idea of some of the things that you can actually do to make sure that you level up your game. Okay, then you can also download this particular playlist, like the lo-fi beats. It helps you to relax, maybe when you are walking. There's something, this particular stuff that people talk about, how to get to the flow faster. So the flow is a state whereby you have no distraction, you are in deep work state. Okay, so that's what they call the flow. Okay, so for you to get into the flow faster, you need, sometimes it might be relaxing songs or audio, something that can help you focus on work. So you can download this particular video. Is actually 1 hour 39 minutes. So if you download it will be able, you can convert it to audio, and then you can listen to it while you are working, or you can still play it from your laptop or your phone or whatever device you are using. If you're on your phone, I recommend MX player. You can play videos and minimize your screen. Then if you're on your laptop, of course, any player goes. All you have to do is to play it, and then you go over to whatever application or software you are using to do your work. All right, so these are the 3 top accounts. So remember I told you I have my bonus. So I'm going to show you now, for those of us that are going to be on Fiverr, also for those that are going to be working on Upwork, I also recommend this particular channel, Win the Articulate Asian. So why I recommend this channel is this. So Win the Articulate Asian, why I recommend this channel is this. So he has a lot of things going on, especially when it comes to Fiverr. Like, he's good when it comes to Fiverr ranking, your gigs, and all of that. Now, for those that are going to be on Upwork, you might not necessarily see this as something beneficial, right? But what I tell people to do is this. Now, all the freelance platforms are similar, just that there might be a little bit of difference, in how gigs are being ranked or in algorithm, right? But then there are some things that you will be able to learn from this particular channel that would actually help you level up your Upwork game. Yes, Upwork and Fiverr have different algorithms and of course different modes of getting jobs and landing gigs, right? But then there are some things you might learn here that would necessarily help you level up your game. So make sure you also subscribe to his channel and ring the notification bell. Make sure that you follow some of his videos. You might learn one or two things, especially when it comes to creating your video proposal, right? So creating your video proposal is something that is not platform dependent. Okay, so what you might be able to learn something from him when it comes to creating your platform video proposal. All right, so with that said, I think we have come to the end of today's session. One thing you should know is that as a freelancer that is starting out, don't try to jump on all the platforms. Okay, make sure you stick to one platform. As a beginner, stick to one platform, then look for a major skill to do. All right, so watch out for my subsequent videos on skills. I always advise people, if you are starting out and you don't have more skills, always go for writing skills like content writing, copywriting, technical writing, article writing, right? So go for those skills that are easy to start and can pay you well over $1,000. If you are interested in getting started with your freelance journey, I'm going to leave a link in the description whereby you get to click the link, follow through, and you schedule a session with me. And after the session, I'm going to give you access to a free training that will help you understand how you can make your first $2,000 online as a freelancer, and also how you can make consistent $1,000 monthly as a freelancer, even if you just have your smartphone and you don't have access to a laptop. Okay, just make sure you click the link in the description. Then also, if you were able to find value from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends that you feel will find this video valuable. So once again, my name is Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate, and don't forget, don't just get online, get noticed.